Hello, everybody. Before I start with this presentation, I would like to say, on behalf of our group, and particularly myself, thank you all the people that making possible this event, and particularly to Mike Goldman and Chris Jackson from Esri. Today's presentation is about BIM, GIS, and drone. This is the agenda for today. Firstly, I want to show you what is OLA in the world. Secondly, I will show you what is the strategy of being a GIS inside of OLA. We will see the workflow that we establish in our construction site. I will show you an example how we apply those methodology, GIS, BIM, and drone in our construction site. This is an example in Spain, the Malpartida bypass. And finally, we have a time for Q&A. This is my bio. I am Manuel Carpintero. I'm part of OLA group since 2017. Right now, I'm involved in Y plus D department dealing with drones being a GIS solution. My position also is a lead design, BIM manager, and GIS manager. My career, my bachelor's degree was geomatic and survey engineer. I have several master certifications that allow me to develop and to deal with all this technology in order to improve our workflow. Let's talk about OLA. OLA Group is a multinational company that is based around the world, the 5 continents, where our main markets are in Europe, Latin America, and USA. To understand the project we're developing, I want to show you a short video where we present the most important construction site we are building or we already built in the world. Once we put in context what is OLA Group and what we are building, let's talk about BIM and GIS strategy in OLA. This year, we were certified in the ISO 19650, and we want to apply this methodology in all our projects. For that, we are making particular internal training for our staff in order to create a group that can deal with this kind of methodology. And also, we are reading in the digitalization of our site. In this slide, you can see one common workflow we are doing in our site. This is relative BIM. We have our common data environment. In this case is ACC, Autodesk Construction Cloud, following the ISO 19650. We handle all the documents, graphic and non graphic documents. In here, we establish all the topic, and every single part involved can consult here all the data, not only 3D models or 2D drawings. We can see quality environment document, health and safety, production document, survey documents, client communication, RFIs, or whatever contractual document, management regarding costs and other issues, and others here, we try to put others to subcontractor. This picture, you see a tree with all the topic according the ISO 19650. This is a particular workflow for GIS. GIS, we use ArcGIS products, S3, and we try to create this workflow in order to get this dashboard. To do that, we have here our common data environment, where we have hosted all the data, the most important things. Through ArcGIS Pro, we transfer those data, 3D models, to the drawings and other documents to put into ArcGIS Online. Okay. Also, we have field data collector. This field data collector means we have on site with iPad or phones. We create this kind of survey through ArcGIS Survey 1 through 3 and put directly to ArcGIS Online. With that, we are creating in real time a database where it's always upgraded. Also, we use ArcGIS field maps to do the same. Sometimes we use ArcGIS field map or Survey 1 through 3. In order to get the background update, we use drone methodologies. So we used to fly every month or construction site, and we create the mesh in order to put here in ArcGIS Online. With all this data, and through ArcGIS Experience Builder, we create this dashboard. Also, people can consult another data, for example, the field data collector, we create the ArcGIS dashboard. Through ArcGIS dashboard, we create some dashboard in order to have access those data. Later on, I'm going to show you an example. Also, we have the possibility to create ArcGIS story map. Let's talk about the sample, the Mar Partida bypass, and how we apply all this workflow in our construction site. This is a clear example that we are beating in this kind of methodology and this kind of workflow. In here, you can see the dashboard. The dashboard I showed you before. Here, this dashboard is divided into parts. One graphic part, you have the possibility controlling 2D and 3D part, and one window that you have access all the topic. The first topic is the general view. The general view, you can, it's possible to access in 2D and 3D. 2D, and you can consult things here in this graphic areas. Also, you have the possibility to customize the topic. We have also here, just in this graphic area, you have the possibility to access data right now. Also, we have the access documents. So the access document and construction site, or CDA, I showed you before. So in here we have all the documents. This is the core, all the documents, all the data, according to ISO 19600. We have a Power BI. A Power BI, in order to improve the headwork for our site manager, the headwork, is very helpful to consult the cut and fill areas, and also how you can navigate through this Power BI in order to consult just a particular cut, a particular fill with graphic, with area. This is very helpful in our meeting when we discuss things with our client. So this is relative asset document. We have another topic is field data. This is the field data we showed you before in the workflow. We have the field data collector. So we are creating the database in real time. You can see here in this window all these dots. It's possible to consult. Here we have the table, and you can consult the people that is taking the picture, the category, the typology, and here you can see embed in our 3D model, federated model. And this is a possibility to consult the data. Here, as I said, so you have the possibility also to share by discriminating the people here in this case. Also, we have the possibility to navigate through this in this map. Later on, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the viewer we have, and here you can consult things. We have other way to consult those data is the dashboard, as mentioned before. Here is a particular dashboard for just this area. See here, these windows in 2D, and here the operator, and you can discriminate, you can consult, you can do filters with this, and it's very easy to consult this data. And the most important for us is this database is hosted in ArcGIS Online, just in one only place. This is very important for us. If we want to analyze more in detail, I, as his manager, I can analyze the data here in Survey 133. At the moment, we have 3,251 data recorded in the 13th of August. Here, we can consult data. We can export all this data or client or stakeholder in order to get decision, or also to get the report. Here you see a particular case here. Yes. Other topic is AdWords. AdWords, we have the possibility to consult the volumes over all the corridor. So here we have defined the polygons for the volumes. In here in this table, we can discriminate every single volume, every single area here. With that, or site manager, AdWords site manager can consult the data and can consult the data into the model. We have the possibility also to export this database, and we can analyze in Excel or whatever. So the thing is, we try to access the document, we try to access the data in an easy way. Also, we have the possibility to consult the project boundary of the project boundary along all the corridor. Embed with the cadastral, Spanish cadastral. Here, this is the web page for Spanish cadastral official, and we can consult the proprietary of the area surrounding if we have some kind of trouble with them. So the possibility to do that is because the database for the cadastral is embedded also in this here. We don't have too much time to show all the topic and to show all the tools that this dashboard can do. But before to finish this presentation, I would like to focus in this picture. In here we result that all those topics are customizable. What does this mean? During all the time we are spending to build a job, a construction site like that, the staff have the necessity to access different data at different times. So this is possible doing this kind of workflow and this kind of dashboard because we can take away in this case a particular topic I put another. So well, at the moment we have those topics here. Just as I say, we are finishing this presentation. I want to jump quality and environment and health and safety because those topics are into the BIM viewer federal model that I would like to show you. BIM utilities. Clicking in BIM utilities appear a new window. We have the possibility to access to Autodesk Construction Cloud, ArcGIS BIM, and the model viewer. The model viewer is where I would like to focus in. Clicking model viewer appear a new window where we have the access to the BIM model federated. In here we have the three topics that we were talking about: drones, GIS, and BIM. We have the database of the GIS, and here we have all the possibility to consult all the field data, all the database that we have also in BIM 360 or RCC, and in here we have the possibility to do alternative, for example, for studies alternative for structure. Here you can see one structure that then we have different alternatives in order to build. Also, we facilitate this. We are facilitating this navigation through shortcode. You see here how easily is it navigate, clicking just in one, doing just one click and seeing how is navigated through. We have also the possibility to analyze the following structure. In this case, we analyze a structure during the time. We have the drone cover in different months since 2023 August, and you see here how is changing the structure. We have in earthworks, the excavation of the foundation, and right now the structure is increasing. Right now, this is the situation in August 2024. Also, we have the possibility to analyze with the highway and the geometric highway. And yeah, here, as I say, we are embed all the things. So we analyze the possibility to analyze the clearance. This is a particular case for a structure that the clearance is very, very, very low. Also, we have the possibility to take section in order to consult the advance, in order to do some kind of a study and analyze the possible alternative of construction. Here, this also other topic we are dealing with are the drainage. Here you can see the model, the project model, who is comparing with the construction model because this is a prefabricated drainage, and we analyze the assembly of every single module of the structure. We naming every single module, and we have the information here. Those information is hosted in ACC, and we have the possibility to consult the information through this graphic area. Here you can see the list of the assembly. We open the list of the assembly. This particular case is the OD 388, and you can see we have 12 modules, and we have every single module have a name. This module is 105, and you see here the name 105. So every time we build a drainage, we put and we update all this. Also, we have the code color. So the green is assembly, no green, and gray is still to build. Another thing we have is the blasting follow-up. Here you can see all these dots. Those are the drilling that the drilling machine is doing in order to do the blasting. And here you can see the production in August. This is already made the blasting, and we take away the earthwork. So this possibility to consult those data, to consult all these things, is very helpful for us because you can see in 3D and you can see the reality that with the drone and the reality that with the design, comparing both. And you can see here the deep that we did for the drilling, for top of we drill until we dig the design. Here we have the document and the data, and yeah, so this is other things we have also is how the field data, how handle the field data into this model viewer we were talking about before, so about the field data. And here we have all the data embedded with all the models and the drones you can consult the same way that I showed you before. Even export this database if you want to use in your computer. Also, you have the possibility to navigate through easily the same way that I show you in the other case. Other topic we have is health and safety. This is very helpful for us because it's improving a lot of our job on site. Here that we did is put all the risks that we have in our risk management, and we put into the model, and with that we can consult even inside even on field all these risks. And when the people started a job, they need to consult this, and you can see they can see also how what risk is going to be affected for example in this case on a structure. So every single risk is put into the model in order to again the people can consult those risks. And with that, I show you that we are doing OHL group regarding BIM, GIS, and drone. We have more topic, but we have no time to show you. So the thing is, the most important for us is how to handle the data. Those data need to be hosted in one only place. You can access in different ways those data, but the data should be unique. And this is a way intended. And from OHLA, we beating, as I said before, we beating highly for the digitalization of the construction site, and we are working very hard to do that. Thank you very much for this. Thank you very much again for this opportunity to show what we are doing in OHLA group. Thank you.